To fix Realtek audio driver not working in Windows 11, first restart Windows Audio Services. To do that, click in Search, type Services, select Run as Administrator. Here, you need to search for two services, Windows Audio Services and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click on Services, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic. If the service status showing not running, then click on Start, then select Apply and OK. You have to do same thing for Windows Audio Services. Right-click, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic, then start the services, then click on Apply and OK. Afterward, restart your computer and check if that helps you to fix your problem. Next, you can try reinstalling Realtek driver. Right-click on Start, select Device Manager, expand Sound, Video and Game Controller. Here you will see Realtek audio driver. Right-click on it, select Uninstall Device. If you see an option to check attempt to remove the driver from your device, then check that box and click on Uninstall. After uninstalling, simply restart your computer and hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, you can contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.